welcome to Dark Dave's shop. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video. This is the first leg of the Blue Ridge Parkway. As you can see, we have a little bit of rain and some fog. Well, we're going to be following along this, and I'm going to let some music play so you can enjoy it for a little bit, and I'll get back to you at our stop. Hopefully you note that the camera is only the 7 silver for the simple fact of the rain and the fog made it so that I really don't want the one that has the mic on it up and getting destroyed. This one is watertight, so I'm not real worried about it. I'm hoping you guys really enjoyed the video, and please give me some comments and let me know what you think. Thank you very much, and please subscribe, like, and I'll catch you in a little bit. As you can see, we sped it up a little bit so you guys can enjoy it. I'm going to let the music play, and I will talk from time to time. But please enjoy the video, and if you want me to talk over the whole thing, I can. But I think just watching it and enjoying it with the music will give you a good time. Now, as you can see, there was a huge amount of rain and fog at the beginning of this run, and it was really bothersome, but we were able to drive through it really quite easily. I was able to see the guy in front of me. They liked where I was at because they were able to spot my tri-glide lights from miles away, they said. So if nothing else, the 2020 tri-glide has great lighting in the back, even in fog and rain, that can be seen by a long distance. And I hope you guys are keeping an eye on some of these turns and the drop-offs, because it's beautiful. If you haven't done it before, please get a chance and get out there. Sorry I didn't keep the camera as clean as I could. With the rain, it was kind of difficult, and I had it a little forward position. But as you can see, it is really wonderful watching out of this. I was able to wipe it off once or twice, and once it quit raining, or at least once the fog let up enough for us to see, we're able to see a lot more of this. And at the end, I will have the pictures posted that we were able to capture on this part of the run. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and thank you. If you're curious what I was listening to during the run, I was actually listening to Pink Floyd and The Doors. Really great albums to be listening to. Actually, Pink Floyd, I had the compilation album, so it was like 3 albums in one, and just very nice music to be doing this drive with. And as you can tell, I was with the forward-facing camera, turning it off and on. Basically, I got rid of as much of the heavy fog as possible, because all you were able to see there is just white. I left a little bit in an early section, but when it was just rain or somewhat clear, you guys can see what it looks like. And we were able to pull off a couple of places and see some neat things. But with the pictures at the end, hopefully you guys liked the view of what we really were seeing. Thank you very much. Now the nice thing is, once it started clearing up, all of a sudden we started seeing other bikes coming towards us. We'd been seeing cars all morning, but it was nice to see the other bikes, and everybody reacted well because, yes, I was a Harley, but I was in with a number of Goldwings. Nothing wrong with that. I enjoy riding with Goldwings. Pretty cool people. Yeah, the people we were riding with are from Texas. They are the Texas Horny Toads. They're also known as the Mile Munchers. Pretty cool group. I'd say the best thing about the Parkway is the simple fact that the majority of the people up there, at least was the day we were motorcyclists. And it's always so much fun to just be on the road with just motorcycles. Yes, there were a number of cars and trucks, but it's non-commercial vehicles. So it's not really a huge sum of people. I was very impressed. I'd been up on it before. That's so long ago. It was beautiful. As you can see, it did clear up a little bit. The sky never really went fully clear, and we ended up with more rain. But it was a great ride. If you haven't been, go. And as you can see, the fog and that does come back. It does go away, but it does come back. And at the last portion, it just started to open up on us again. So it was a beautiful ride, but there was a lot of weather to concern with. So take that into account when you are going up there. And as you can see from time to time, the sun does come out. It does show a lot of the beauty of the area. Again, this is a marvelous road. If you haven't, go.